Hello and welcome to another quick hardware tutorial from Epos. Today I'm going to show you how to install a second screen on a Oxhoo EVOQ till system. Now, as you can see, the actual till system like so. You have to do is flip it over, and once you've flipped it over, you'll notice that there are two screw ends either side. Get a standard Phillips screwdriver and just unscrew these screws to release the plastic clamps. There are a few clips either side that you have to just gently ease out. You might possibly have to use a little prying tool like a standard flathead, but not much force is required. And it releases like so. Once you've done that, flip the device over again and tilt the screen forward so you can gain access to the main central pole. Little cap that pops off. Replace it with a little washer. Now, the actual second screen is connected by 3 screws inside the pole there. What you need to do, you need to feed the cable through and then feed it through the main central pole. Then all you need to do is line up the screw holes with the screw holes inside the pole. Then once you've lined them up, you can screw in the 3 screws that come with the pack. What you can do, you can physically put the screws through the holes in the actual second screen first. You can use a magnetic screwdriver to do this, just so it's an easy way to line them up inside the central pole. Once all the screws are through the holes, you can then go about to align it into the central pole. Once you've lined them all up, you can then begin to screw in the 3 screws. As you can see, once they're all screwed in, it is then secure on the central pole. You can then replace the cap, put that back on top just to tidy it up. Once you've done this, you can flip the unit back over and you can actually detach slowly the actual black box, which is the actual till system, just by sliding it. Then you can retrieve the cable that you've just fed through and then slide the black box back into its position. So now you have the actual cable for the actual monitor. You can now feed it through and connect it to the right connection, far right connection. Once you've done that, all you have to do then is just tidy up the cables, make sure they're all lined up. There are special little grooves that you can line them all up with. Then once you've lined them up, you can then place the black bracket back on, just to make sure that the cable feeds through the actual hole which is located on the black bracket. Might need to give yourself a little bit more slack just to get it through. And once it's lined up, you can feel free to actually make sure all the cables are connected, and then it should all snap into place, and then screw back the 2 screws connecting the black bracket. And there you have it. Your second screen for your EVOQ is now connected and ready to be turned on. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope this has been useful. Check you out next time. See you now.